out there, YouTube. How we doing today? Well, that's right. It's that time. Battlbox is back in the shop. So stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to show you what came in this month's box. Plus, we got a special guest today. Alrighty there, YouTube. Thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first-time viewers who found my channel, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for taking a moment of your day to view this unusual video. For you long-time viewers, this one's directed for you, both of y'all. Look down below, right about down there. You should see a little channel watermark hovering down there. Hold on a sec, don't give it away. Hovering right down there. Hover over that, should pull up subscribe. Just go ahead and click on that right at the beginning of the video. Get it out the way early. That way you can feel better about yourself for the rest of the day. Alright, so seeing how our little surprise guest already gave herself away, come here, come here.
Daddy,
come here.
I don't need pants that week.
Okay, shh, don't tell everyone out there you're not wearing pants. Look, the cuteness factor is back today, guys. She wants to help with this month's Battlbox. Alright, now, I know lots of people do the Pro Plus version, but honestly, I usually take a look at the basic box. Why? And sometimes I think it's really undervalued on certain people's channels, and they really gloss over it. So I figured, why not? I do the basic box. As we usually do, there is what comes in this month's box. As if you don't know that by now, from everybody already getting out there and taking a look. If you're unfamiliar with Battlbox, it's a monthly subscription service that has, ready, hold up 4 fingers. Nope, that's 5. Hold up 4. Okay. It's got 4 levels. How many? 4 levels. You've got your basic, advanced, pro, and the knife of the month club. Alright. Basically, the more you spend is the more you're going to get. I'm taking a look at the basic box, which they say has basically a $60 value. Okay, and it's almost double than what I paid for it. So let's take a look at it. Now, their first item up is a waxed canvas axe, well, axe sling / quiver.
I never hold anything.
Here, hold it up. Okay, basically, it's really simple. The little straps for it are in here. I'm not really going to put it together and do a whole bunch of stuff. It's just an easy way to carry the axe that they gave you in a, you know, where'd it come? In the Pro version this month, or you can use it as a quiver. I will probably be using it as a quiver just because I do a lot of bow hunting, and I've got a sling blade. I mean, sling bow, excuse me, not sling blade. God, I'm tired. It's been a heck of a couple days, guys. You ever have a water tank go out on you, your hot water heater? Mine died yesterday, so yay!
Yay.
Can you go yay?
Yay.
There you go. Okay, so there's the sling. Now, the next item up, it has a $24.99 value. The next item up, we actually got in the, first ever PMP prep box. Now, if you're curious about the PMP prep box, look up top. I'm going to leave a card to every single PMP video that I've ever done. Where's that card?
Yeah.
Is it up top? Up top? Can you say up top?
Up top.
There you go. Alright, it is the Coffee Wick Fire Starter 3-pack with a $5 value. Alright, can you hold it up?
Yeah.
Alright, basically it looks like that. Now turn it a little forward so they can see the inside, like that. Okay, in essence, these are coffee grounds mixed in with some wax. You know, and it has a little wick right there. Jeebus. I'll get back to him in a moment. Sorry, guys. I really gotta remember to turn that thing off. But, you know, that's what it looks like. Little wick in there. And these things will burn for pretty much about 45 minutes.
Hey,
half hour, 45 minutes or so.
Hey, there's actually 2 wicks.
There's 3 in there. Okay? So, moving on. This is the one that I was very, very happy to get, but I'll get back to it in a second because I'm going to skip one. This is the Urban Garden Heirloom Seeds by Patriot Seeds with a $15 value. Hold it up. Right there so they can see it. Okay, looks like you get... Hold on, where's it go here? There's 12 varieties. Not bad. Large red cherry tomatoes, cayenne red peppers, golden wax beans. What the hell a progress number 9P is? Have no clue. Little finger carrots, evergreen bunching onions, summer squash, black beauty zucchini, ugh. Basil cinnamon, garlic chives, Amish deer tongue lettuce, bull's blood beets, and champion radish. And it's by Patriot Seeds. Not bad. Heirloom seeds are cool because basically you can harvest them and use them over and over and over and over and over. Okay. Now, the item that I skipped over, and this is something I have been wanting for a very, very long time. Hold that. Don't hold it up yet. No, not yet. This is a wooden Kuska cup with a $15 value, $14.95. Now, hold it up.
I can put my hands in it.
I know, huh? It's basically a little cup that's been crafted from a block of wood. You know, on the inside, I believe they've used food-grade epoxy to help seal it, and they basically help stain it. So now you have something that you can eat out of, drink out of, out in the woods that is biodegradable because it's wood. I have always wanted to learn how to make one of these, and the videos I've seen recently, some of these guys are just master craftsmen. I mean, this thing is just freaking awesome. I mean, it's got a little chipping on the side there, but that's okay. Hold on, baby. It's got the little wood thing with a carabiner so you can attach it to a pack. But I think this thing's flipping awesome. But that is it for the basic level. We're going to let our little guest go play for a little bit. Hey, can you say bye-bye to everybody?
Bye-bye.
All right. Love you.
Bye.
Now, normally I'd lay everything out and do this big, okay, well, here's wrap, here's this, here's that. But, dude, seriously, it's only 4 items. 4 items. 4 items. It's... Their theme is self-reliance, hand tools, and more. So, hey, hold on, baby. Hold on, let me wrap this up before you start destroying things, okay? Thank you. I get it for the basic box, all right? You've got a way to carry an axe or arrows. You've got a way to make fire. You've got something you can eat or drink out of. And you have seeds that can help feed you or feed your family. Okay. They seem to be putting less and less items in the box. There's 8 items total in this box. And 4 of them were in the basic. I don't know. I can only put it like this. Battlbox is taking a different direction. This is month number 2. And I'm still seeing where it's going to go. I'm not being critical of them. I'm not saying screw Battlbox. I'm not saying F Battlbox. I'm just saying I'm kind of in a holding pattern at this point. What, baby?
Get some pants for me.
In a moment, okay? I'm kind of in a holding pattern. I feel very comfortable sitting at the basic level. So I may stay there, but I'm kind of not sure just because of I live in the great state of Washington that likes taxing everything. Okay, can you hold on? Your slippers are on the wrong feet, baby. Switch them up. The great state of Washington loves taxing everything. So with a $30 charge, like I've said before in other videos, basically a $10 charge for shipping, and then the great state of Washington putting like a $6 tax on top of that, that's $46 for the basic box. I don't know. But that's just me. I know there's not much in this one, but I'd like to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, everything right down below like we usually do. You guys know I'm going to get back with you. You guys know we're going to have a pretty interesting conversation about this month's Battlbox. Alright, with that fun stuff being said, for you first-time viewers, like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm going to say it again. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for choosing this video. I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very flattered you chose one of mine. Now, for you long-time viewers who did not do it at the beginning, and you first-time viewers who didn't do it at the beginning, man, here is your second chance at redemption. Look down below. Down below in one of those 2 corners, there's going to be a big old channel symbol popping up. Go ahead and click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you've clicked on subscribe, please destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Well, it's going to notify you every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 will be popping up somewhere alongside the screens there. Alright? Those are videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. There we go, guys. My look at the basic box for Battlbox Mission 48, Self-Reliance, Hand Tools, and more. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day today.